What's another aspect of being a provider that you enjoy the most?
One thing that I've always enjoyed, both in residency and here at Evergreen, is getting to know the person, not just as a patient, but as an individual, and really sometimes as a family, and knowing and understanding what it is that they need and listening to what they have to say, and just being very welcoming and not rushing through something.
That personal touch, that personal attention takes time. How do you manage that in the middle of a busy day?
First thing that I like to do is just ask the patient, how can I help you? What's going on today? And I reiterate that all through the visit. What other questions do you have? What other needs do you have? Do you feel like I have fully answered all of your questions? Do you feel satisfied with this visit? And if they don't, they'll let me know. And I give them several opportunities to say so. In addition, if I feel that we're running very over time, I'm always happy to say, I'm more than happy to continue this conversation. We can follow up rather over the phone, maybe a telemedicine visit, or in a week, or whatever works in your schedule.
It's good to hear that and to understand sometimes the work that goes into that personal touch and being the kind of doctor that I think everybody wants. Everybody wants to be heard, and they all want that time with their provider. So to be able to understand that a little bit is really good. And we often do say as well, and in fact, there's another video on this YouTube channel that talks about attention to detail and the amount of care, and the fact that if you have to wait a little while, it's because we're giving that level of care to other people as well, the same as you would want. And so I know that ends up being a customer service kind of conversation for sure. So, but it sounds like the kind of thing that motivates you and that you enjoy the most.
One thing that I always am mindful of is that we have patients not just here in Roseburg, but people who drive 1 or 2 hours away. We have people who come from the coast, and they're taking their whole day to come see me for maybe a 20-minute visit. And so I want to make sure that they're getting what they feel they've put into this, and they feel satisfied afterwards.